Welcome to the another video of home decoration for upcoming Christmas event. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Christmas decoration, especially outdoor ones that turn home and street into magical winter wonderland. But before we explore sparkling lights and festive ideas, we will take short journey back in time to discover where these well-loved traditions actually came from. So just short and amazing history. Christmas celebrate every year on 25th, make the birth of Jesus Christ. Centuries ago, ancient civilization held winter festive to celebrate to the return of the sun after the darkness day of the year. In Northern Europe, celebrate Yule light candles, decorating trees, and sharing meals or honor of the sun rebirth. So let's move to the video how to decorate. So now that we are unwrapping some history, let's step outside to the glowing world of outdoor Christmas decoration. Decorating our home is not just about look, it's about sharing joy. Each twinkling lights, wreath, and ribbon reflect the warmth of the season. You can never go wrong with a simple white or warm yellow lights wrapped around the tree, fence, or your roofline. Paint something colorful, mix red, green, and blue lights to make your house stand out in the night sky. Start with a traditional Christmas wreath made up pine branches, berries, and ribbon. Add fairy lights for an extra sparkle. Don't forget to your wall hang. They can also shine this Christmas. Hang Christmas theme wall decor, lights, stars, bells, wooden signs that say Merry Christmas or Joy to the World. You can also try Jute wall hanging, natural material that give you a warm, rustic look. Use burlap ribbons, lace, and small ornaments to craft your own hanging star or wreath. If you love handmade craft, crochet wall hanging are perfect. Crochet snowflakes, stars, or angled patterns absolutely beautiful when hung with fairy lights. And for modern touch, add glowing LED snowflakes and hanging lantern to your outer wall for that picture perfect Christmas vibe. You don't need to spend a lot homemade decoration like painting pinecones, wrapping old jar with ribbons, candles, or creating jute and burlap craft such as table runner, mini stocking, or hanging ornaments. If you are into crochet, make small decorative items like crochet Christmas trees, stocking, or snowman. They look amazing both indoor and outdoor. These handmade decoration add a personal and heartwarming touch to the store bought decorate simply can't match. Christmas look different all over the world. In the Philippines, people hang colorful lanterns called paroles. In Germany, market glow with wooden ornaments and mulled wine. In the US, entire town light up with the display that attract thousands of visitors every year. And in Pakistan, where Christian communities celebrate joyfully home and decorate with star candles and small crafts represent baby Jesus. And there you have it, from ancient tradition to modern light, from jute crochet craft to glittering display. Christmas decoration are all about one thing: spreading love, joy, and hope. No matter how you decorate, the real magic of Christmas comes from the heart that share it. We hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and more amazing videos. If you are new, so please visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful craft ideas and decoration and design especially for you and for your upcoming Christmas. You can easily apply on your upcoming Christmas event how to decorate. It will really help you how to decorate your home, your gardens, your outdoors, your kitchens, your bedroom, So please must visit and share your valuable comments, your thoughts. God bless you all.